Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now children, can you see some cards kept here on the table? Yes. Now you must be thinking, what is it? So children, let me tell you the secret behind this. The point was that I was thinking of to teach you something with these cards, and for that I have made these cards and I have cut it down. Very first I have made it in a pair of having the total as 500, so that I can teach you that how the sum of two values becomes 500. But because of some mistake done by me, I have actually shuffled all these cards. Now the problem is that it is getting very difficult for me to identify which card I have to pair up with the another one. Can you please help me out with this? So children, as you can see that there are 6 different cards and 6 different numbers are written on all these cards. Now you have to help me out to find the pair of numbers, that means 2 different numbers whose sum is 500. Now the problem is that how we can find out, like shall I add each number with another card and then I will come to up with 500? So that is going to take a lot of time. So in that case, what we can do, we can use the concept of take away. Since the sum of these two numbers is 500, that means if I take away one of my card, for example 163 from 500, can I get the another pair, and we can easily identify which card is the pair of 163 for making its sum as 500. So for that I'll be using a rough notebook here, and what sum I have to make here is 500. And let's take the first card as 163. So if I subtract 163 from 500, let's see what answer we get. So here, taking a borrow from 5 will become 4, this 0 will become 10, and the 0 at 10's place will become 9. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 6 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So which value I get after taking away 163 from 500? The answer is 337. So here, this is my first pair. 163 plus 337 will sum up as 500. So yes, we have searched our first pair of number. Let me keep this on one side. Now still there are 4 more cards. Taking out any one of it, let's take out 384. Now I have to check out which value will pair up with 384, and for that what I have to do, I have to take away 384 from 500. So taking away, once again taking a borrow, it will become 4, 0 will become 10, and 10's place 0 will become 9. 10 minus 4 is 6, 9 minus 8 is 1, and 4 minus 3 is again 1. So which value I got here is 116. So let's find out where is 116. Yes. So students, this is our second pair. 116 with 384 is our second pair of number whose sum is 500. Now children, after getting these two pairs, we are left with these two different values. Let's check out, are these two values, these two cards written as 245 and 255, summing up as 500? So what I have to do is 500 minus the first value, which is 245. So when I subtract it here, taking a borrow, this will become 9 and 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 4 is 5, and 4 minus 2 is 2. That means yes, these two pair of numbers is also summing as 500. So here we have to make the sum of these two values as 500, but For that we have used the concept of subtraction. Okay children, in the similar manner, now I'll be sharing you with some different cards and you have to tell me which pair of number will be there for these cards. So my first number is 228. The second number is 272. The third value is 422. The fourth one is 331. Fifth value 78. Sixth value 246. And the next two is 254 and 169. Now students, the way I have explained this through this activity term, that how we can use the concept of subtraction to find the pair of numbers, in the similar manner you have to identify the similar pair of numbers which will sum up as 500. Okay students, so this is your task which you have to do, and after completing you have to send me your activity. Okay children, I hope you will enjoy this activity doing at your home also, and in the same manner you can also use some different concept at home. So this is a real life example how we can use mathematics in our real life. Thank you.